Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add your YouTube channel to your Instagram bio on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and an Instagram account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to edit profile. Go to website. If you already have a website in there, like myself, I have the bit.ly link. I can remove and then add my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/computersciencevideos. We can take the URL, highlight, Command C to copy, go back to Instagram.com, and then edit profile, Command V to paste, click on submit. You go to your profile, and now we have the YouTube channel added to the Instagram bio. Click on this, and it takes us to the channel itself. Quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.